It is very, very hot and I believe it's going to melt soon. Hi, I'm Glenn of ACASIS Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Today, we have a dual NVMe M.2 SSD enclosure. Nowadays, most computers, especially those which are in the high end of spectrum, they usually have multiple M.2 NVMe slots in them. You know, the best way to back up those M.2 NVMe's is through this. I'm just going to quickly unbox it so we can see what inside. This is the main unit. And from here we can actually see that this is a very simple device. And the NVMe's are gonna be inserted upright, which will provide it with a lot of airspace outside it. So we have two slots in here, the one with the source and the target. Now at the back, at the top of it, we can see that it has a USB-C connectivity. It also has the power button next to it, plus the port where you will connect the 12-volt power supply. Now at the back side of it, there's not much to see. Now we go ahead and look for its other peripherals, and we have the USB Type-C to USB 3 for connectivity to your laptop or your PC. So there aren't so many parts included in here. We only saw the main unit plus the USB connector and this power adapter, which is, I believe, an Australian type of plug. Therefore, we're going to use an adapter, a three-way adapter, so we can plug this to our wall. And just like that, it's pretty simple to operate. You're just going to connect the power adapter or its power supply to the power port and you are ready to go. Aside from these peripherals, it also came with this manual and some guidelines on how to operate this device the first time. Now I have two M.2 NVMe SSD, which are both 2 terabyte each, and one of these here I'm going to plug to the source port. This contains the OS and some of the systems that we have already installed, and I'm going to back it up to another SSD, which is a blank one, an empty one, and I inserted it to this port, which is the target port. This is how we're going to back it up or copy data from one SSD to another. Let's go ahead and plug the power supply, press the power button, and you will immediately see that the LED light for the power will immediately lit up. We can actually connect the USB cable, but for offline cloning, it is actually not necessary. As you can see here, I'm pressing the clone button. I'm holding on it for a few seconds, and you will see that those 4 LED lights in front will start to blink. This means that the operation for offline cloning has started. Now for these two 2 terabyte NVMe SSD, it might take a while, probably around 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And while cloning, we're gonna look at it through our thermal imaging. And from here, you can see that it is getting really hot. Each of the M.2 SSD NVMe are scorching hot, but not really too hot. It's like around 40 to 43 degrees Celsius each. Now, this is fine, but if you want to bring it down a little bit, I'm going to use fans like this portable popular fans. And I have two of these to cool down the M.2 NVMe's while the cloning is in progress. This will help bring down the temperature of these two devices while it is cloning. Let's take a look again with our thermal imaging, and we can see that the current temperature has gone down from 43 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. And we're pointing our crosshair to the source NVMe, and its temperature is around 29 to 31 degrees. And for the target NVMe, the temperature is also the same. Now the fans actually help cool down the two NVMe's while the cloning is in progress. The four LED lights which are blinking that I showed earlier, those are the indicators of the current percentage where our cloning is at currently. So it's done. The cloning is finished, and now I remove the target NVMe, and I'm going to insert it to the M.2 slot. After this one, we're going to switch on the PC and see if the cloning was a success. Let's connect the heatsink. Okay, so the SSD is in there. We're going to start the PC to see if it will work. And there you go, the clone has actually worked after the cloning. So by that, we can actually trust the ACASIS for cloning our M.2 NVMe SSDs. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.
Right Naxos. So the name to know what the moon